How to use Gelato plus Shopify for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with integrating Gelato to get started with building your Shopify store and how you can build a dropshipping based Shopify store using Gelato. So to get started, simply head on over to your Shopify dashboard and then click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Once you click on Apps and Sales Channels, click on Shopify App Store on the top right. And then from here, you're just going to search for Gelato. Now, Gelato is a print-on-demand or dropshipping service that allows you to create custom products. So you're just going to click on Gelato Print on Demand and then click on Install. Now, using Gelato to create a dropshipping business is a great way to get started. So you're just going to click on Install Application over here. And once you do that, you will be led to your Gelato dashboard. So on Gelato, if you don't have an account already, you can use your email address to sign up, but I'm just going to proceed with Google over here. And you can sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple. And once you sign up on Gelato, you can get started with building your products. And as you guys can see over here, we have successfully connected our store. And if you would like to import and process your orders automatically or manually, so each order needs to be approved before it's sent to print, or if it should be directly done, so as soon as a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Gelato immediately begins the process of printing it and then sending it to the customer. So I want to do this automatically, and I can click on Create New Product over here to get started. Now, before I do that, let's do a quick overview of our Gelato dashboard. So this is the dashboard that you're going to see on Gelato, and you're going to find that once you have integrated Gelato onto your Shopify store, you can just open up Gelato on directly from Shopify. Just click on Gelato in your app section, and this will just open Gelato up. Now in Gelato, on your left panel, you have your product catalog, so all of the different samples you can create. Then you have all of your ordering section. Then you have your store section, so any integrated stores. Then you have your personalization studio. So you can build a personalized item directly on Gelato as well. So customers can maybe enter their own name or enter, their own initials on product. And this kind of customization can help bring a more personalized and a less manufactured feel to your Shopify products. Now, moving on to the next section, we have our template section. So over here, you can create certain product templates that you're going to be using again and again. Then you have some branded packaging as well as analytics, price navigators, mockup studios, and your developer section. So we're going to get started with building our first product that we're going to import onto Shopify. So we're going to click on Create Product on the top right, and you can choose if you want to create a single product or if you want to just upload your design and make it or print it on multiple different products. So I want to create a single product, and let's say that this is going to be a women's clothing product. And let's just say I want to create a basic t-shirt, a classic crew neck t-shirt, and I'm going to go into the design section over here. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see you can drop your design. You have the front, you also have the back, you have the inner neck, you have the outer neck, then you have the sleeves as well. So you can place your design on all of these sections. Now, this product is temporarily out of stock, so we're going to continue with a different product. So I'm going to go into our product catalog, and we're going to go into women's clothing. Let's say I want to go into premium, and then let's say I want a premium women's clothing item. And as you guys can see, I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to click on Start Designing over here. And once you do that, you guys will be able to see, the front, back, outer neck, inner neck, as well as both of these sleeves. Now, on the left, you have two options in this product. You have direct to garment printing or embroidery. So I want direct to garment printing. And let's say that I want the base color of this t-shirt to be black or navy. So there are a bunch of different color options. You can pick whichever one you like, and then you can upload your design over here. I'm just gonna upload my design from here. So I'm just gonna look for our specific design that we created. Yeah, so we have this design over here, and we also have these two designs. So let's say I want to do this one, and I'm gonna click on open. Now I've just added our design, and what I'm gonna do is, I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna go back into the product and I'm going to make it, let's say I want to make it this lilac color, or maybe this light pink color. I think this looks good. Now after that, you will be able to see the dimensions of the product. You should always make sure to design the product in super high quality or high resolution to make sure that whenever it's printed, the quality of the product is not decreased. So I've just placed it over here like a logo. And then I can also do this on the back of the product, on the inner neck, outer neck, as well as the sleeves. However, I want to keep this a simple design. So as you guys can see, we have multiple different types of products over here. Then on the left side, you have your layers, and you can see if you are uploading multiple different layers, such as your text, you have multiple images, you're going to be able to organize them or categorize them here. Then on the file section, you're going to find all of the items that you've uploaded. Then you have your text. So we're going to add some more text. So let's just say I want to add YOLO. And then on your text, if you click on the text on the top toolbar, you have position, effects, as well as font options that you can use. So let's say I want to add different font. You guys can see there are some premium fonts as well as certain free fonts as well. So you can pick out whichever font that you prefer over here. And once you do that, you can also adjust the sizing, the overall strike through, or if you want to underline your text like this. And then after that, you also have options to add some basic shapes. And then you have layouts as well as settings, which can help you in further organizing the design. Once you complete this, you can click on save as a template on the top right. So I'm just gonna save this as a template. Let's say I want to do the same thing and build, the same t-shirt and change up the text. So I can just save this as a template. And after that, I can click on add to order on the top right. Once you click on add to order, you guys can see this is gonna be our product. Now this is the basic product, so we have a single product added over here. We've saved it as a draft. We can click on continue to shipping and go into our shipping details, but we're looking to import this onto Shopify. So we're gonna go into our add product and we can just click on over here single product and choose the product we want to integrate. So we have our product over here. We can do the same template design or whichever design we want. But then this is going to be our particular mockup style, how we want to use our mockups. Now, if you want to use your pre-existing template that we just built, we can go into our template section and then click on the template, and we can edit the template further and then go into our store, and then you can click on edit store details, making sure everything on our store is organized correctly. And then we're going to use multiple products or templates. So let's say I want to use a template, and then I'm going to use the template that we just created to import that onto Shopify. So after that, I can continue to mockups, and I'm going to use the free mockup that is available. And then I'm going to click on continue to details, and you can enter the details how you want them to appear on your Shopify store. You can also choose to attach the size table as well as care instructions. And then you can also choose tags and collections you want this product to be a part of. After that, you can show product to store visitors and display with free shipping on your storefront. Now, after that, you are going to click on continue to prices, and this will show you the pricing guide. So this is the product cost, shipping cost, and this is your retail price. It's going to show you these recommended, profit margins. So let's say I'm fine with, like a 6% profit margin. And then let's say I want to set retail price to maybe $29. So I'm going to click on update over here. This is going to be our retail price. This is going to increase our profits. I'm going to click on publish over here, and now our product is being published. So we're going to wait for this publishing to be completed, and once the publishing is completed, you're going to find it directly in your Shopify store. So let's wait a couple of seconds, and you guys can see our product has been added over here. And if I open this product up, you guys can see our product is now available on our Shopify store. So in this way, you can get started with Gelato and Shopify. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.